Hi, Adri. You getting your bed? Daddy putting your bed together, huh? It's a big girl bed. Yeah. You excited? What are you doing? Are you excited? Did you help Daddy? You help Daddy? Where you going?
Like a screwdriver. Alright, can you give me one? Give me one. Give me that one. Thank you. Alright, hold on. That's it. That's it. Hold on.
Ooh, what you doing? Do you know what you're doing?
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, I see Adri. What are you doing? Oh, really? You putting the bed together? Open what? You don't even know where it goes. Good job for helping. Good job, Adri.
I'll try it.
You try it.
I work it.
You gonna work it?
I work it. I want it.
Good job. That's Adri's new bed. And she is excited.
Winnie the Pooh and Tigger playing a hand clapping game. Winnie the Pooh is not a boy or a girl. He's unisex. He asexual.
Show me your bed. No. I'm trying to sit in the chair. Show me your bed.
Ooh.
She think it's a chair. Show me. You gonna go night-night?
Come on, go night-night. Come on. Here, lay on your pillow. You want the puffy one? Alright, here.
Here's your bed.
Lay down. Night.
Is that comfortable?
Oh. Even more of a creepy hog.
Is that comfy? It looks comfortable. It fits you. I hope you sleep there. She acting like she sleeps. I hope you sleep in there. We'll see tonight.
This morning she woke up, Dada.
I know, I heard her.
Dada. You close your eyes though when you sleep.
She had her eyes closed before.
Close your eyes. She can't keep her eyes closed.
That is so perfect for you, Adri. You did it. I can't see you past my belly. Aww. She just chilling now. Maybe she's asleep in here. Let's hope. Then we can have our room back. She looks comfortable.
This pillow is so flat.
That one just looks too puffy, like too big. She's excited.